West Virginia state-to-state moving companies. It can be tempting to handle a move by yourself. You gather all your boxes and pack all your belongings up neatly by room. You manage to sucker a few friends into volunteering to help with the promise of free pizza. Someone in your family agreed to lend you their pickup truck. Moving day is here and you are excited to get started, until you realize what a giant pain in the neck it is going to be. The couch won't fit through the door. The television stand is too heavy. You banged up a few walls and scraped up a couple of floors with the very first table you attempted to move. It isn't even noon and you are ready to curl up into a corner and have a good cry. Don't worry, we've all been there. If that doesn't sound like a whole lot of fun to you, it might be a good idea to hire a West Virginia moving company with a great rep to do the lifting and transporting for you. They know how to get everything out in one piece. When looking for the best West Virginia movers, a One Auto Transport has you covered. We are a professional moving company with years of experience in providing superior services throughout the Mountain State. Our commitment to quality, customer service, and affordability make us one of the top local moving companies in West Virginia. One Auto Transport can help you move your household goods nationwide. Call 888-241-3110 to get a free, no obligation to buy price quote on interstate moving services.